Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue from our last video about aggregation. Maybe you are thinking about how to answer T-SQL interview questions like what is the difference between where and having clause, and how to use both of them in a query, how to use sum function to sum all values in a column, and how to count number of records in a table. Well, hopefully I will help you to answer these questions today. So let's get started. First, let's further see the meaning of where and having clause. Where clause command is used to filter and fetch values in a row. Where clause restricts records before group by clause, where else having clause restricts groups after group by clause are performed. Group by is used with having clause to filter and fetch value in most cases with aggregation functions like average, minimum, max, sum, and count. Here are the examples. Where clause filter and fetches values from an individual column, where we select county where cases are greater or equal to 1000. Having clause is used to fetch and filter values from a group of rows and not from an individual rows like in where clause. This is an example of both having and where clause. We have fetch and filter values from an individual row where county is not Greenville, and further filter where having cases is greater or equal to 1000, grouping them by county. Please note that it is always recommended to start with where clause followed by group by and finally having clause. Then later you can add order by to see which is the highest county with the highest number of cases. Using the count function, you can obtain the total number of records in a table. This is a quick way of determining how big the dataset really is. You can pass the asterisk to count to indicate that you want to count the number of records in the entire table. If you want to know the number of unique values in a column, you can use the keyword distinct. This is not the same as the number of rows in a column, unless every value in the column listed is unique. Let's look at an example from the county table from the previous chapter. Here, we pass distinct county to count the number of unique county in the county table. Note that you can do this for more than one column. Here, we calculate the unique values in both county and state column by placing the keyword distinct inside the parentheses after the keyword count. As we previously saw in the main, average, and max, you can use count to combine with group by to provide counts of groups of rows. To sort the results, you can use order by. You can use ASC keyword to sort the rows in ascending order, which is the default. To sort the rows in descending order, use the keyword DESC. Here, we count the total number of rows of each county using group by, and the data is not sorted. To sort the values in ascending order of county, you can use order by, followed by the word county. The keyword ASC is optional, since sorting in ascending order is default. To sort the values in descending order of county, use the DESC keyword in order by, like in this example. Similar to other aggregation function, you can use sum function to calculate the sum of all values in a column. Here, we add values of that column using the sum function for each unique value in county using group by. Well, this is the video for today. But before you leave, please subscribe to my channel and join me to the journey of long life learning. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.